Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim, and today I'm just going to have a fairly short video on how I made the roll bar for the 56 Chevy, which came out really good. I think you'll enjoy the video, and with that I'm going to bring you down closer and show you how I made it. Okay? Here we go. That is the finished roll bar. I'm real happy how it came out. It fits the car perfect. All right. Now let's roll the video.
Yeehaw, let's go! Whoa, slow down, hang on! Thank God for the roll bar, it saved us! Whew, woof, close one.
All right, I'm going to show you a little thing here. I'm doing a roll bar for inside the 56 Chevy. And I've already bent some styrene. Make a hoop. Get the floor bucket. Figure where you're going to put it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to mark it, drill 2 holes. Let me get a marker. All right, let's see if I have a drill bit this big here. All right, my biggest drill bit is that. I'm going to use a pin vise for this. I'm going to have to hog out the holes a little bit. I don't have a drill bit big enough here at my desk. It's getting there. Okay, that's one. It's always difficult to figure out the height of what you want to do inside the vehicle. So another YouTuber I saw did it this way. All right. So you stick the hoop through. It sticks out the bottom. Bring the car over. Sit the interior in, as you can see. Then you push up the hoop up to as far as you want, right? Then you mark it. Pull it back out. Slide the hoop out. and you cut right where those marks are. And there goes your hoop. It's ready to go. Now all you gotta do is put the other parts on. You can glue it from the bottom if you want, or leave it just the way it is. Let's do a test fit. I know it's hard to see inside because everything's white, but it fits perfect. Perfect. I'm going to sand a little bit of these off. I'm not sure if it'll touch that or not. Well, I could tell. Put the chassis on. And no, it's not a problem. Take it back off. Take the bucket out. Come on. You know, if you didn't want it to come out, it would fall out. Take the bar. Going to be one going across like this, and it'll be one going down like that. Let's see here. Let me figure that out now. I'm going to get a round file and kind of like, I forget what it's called, like bevel. You want to bevel the end of it. That's not my round one. Here's my round one. Get a little glue. There. There's that bar. Now the car that I'm kind of copying off of also has 2 bars coming back here. And a little bit of styrene. Same thing with this. Take the round file again. Here's one. Let me copy it and make another one. I'm going to do the same thing to this one. File it so you got an angle there at the end. And then you're going to put this one on here. All right. That's one. There. The only bar I got left to do is the bar going across here, but I'm going to have to wait because that's all that I have left. But that's how you make a roll bar. Actually came out pretty good. Give you a closer look at it. I don't want to glue it in because the bar has to be painted. And with that, I'm going to end this video.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But now we got some both young and old, mama. That's rock and roll. Oh, rock it now, yeah. Your man